It's 1 in the morning and you hear someone in the kitchen? Don't you wish you could see? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at a 2K camera that's indoors and from COCOCAM. It's an indoor camera that can also pan and tilt, and it's wireless. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at a security camera from COCOCAMtech.com or COCOCAM. This is an indoor security camera. I believe it's at a 2K resolution, so super nice. Everything looks great on the packaging. Let's open it up. So one of the first things you see in the box is protective styrofoam, so don't worry, it's nice and safe. We got a user manual in there, and it looks like it's a nice size, so I'm gonna guess we've got multiple languages covered, and it looks like we do. This will have all the information you need on setting up the app and just fine details on the product. One of the next things you're going to see is this USB cable right here. It looks like we got a USB 3.0 to C, so very nice. Modern cable right here so you can charge it up. I believe it's got an internal battery of over 5,000 mAh, so very nice, but yes, cable is included. And then what you came for, the security camera. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, nice. Okay, well, as you know, we gotta do this, guys. This thing looks awesome, feels awesome. Look at that, very, very nice. And wow, look at there. Okay, so we've got the power right here, a reset, a memory card right here so you can expand the storage. I will say this, you put it down and it turns. This part here does turn, as you see. And then this also turns. You can kind of see a little bit. I don't want to move it too hard, but this also turns. So this is a pan and tilt, and you can do it all from your phone. But as you know, we're going to review it. So let's go ahead and try it out. This is the COCOCAM 2K Indoor Pan Tilt Security Camera with a 5200 mAh battery. It's got a long-lasting battery and pan and tilt. It's equipped with a rechargeable 5200 mAh battery. This indoor security camera offers long-lasting performance. With a full charge, it can detect motion up to 5,000 times, ensuring continuous surveillance. With a 355-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical rotation range, this indoor camera provides comprehensive coverage, allowing you to monitor every corner of the room effortlessly. Two-way audio and crystal clear resolution, you can stay connected with your loved ones or communicate with visitors using the COCOCAM indoor camera's built-in two-way audio feature, enabling seamless communication from anywhere and capturing every detail with the COCOCAM's 3-megapixel, which is 2,304 by 1,296 resolution, ensuring high-quality video footage for monitoring your home or office. Customizable alarm settings and storage options, you can take control of your security with the COCOCAM's indoor camera's manual alarm, activation, and customizable alarm areas, allowing you to focus on specific areas of interest. Store video footage conveniently with support for up to 120 gigabytes TF card. But this is not included. But what this allows you to enjoy is the flexibility of using cloud storage or the TF card, AI intelligent analysis and enhanced night vision with a 20-meter infrared night vision range and PIR person detection capabilities. This indoor camera ensures clear monitoring even in low light conditions. Enhance your surveillance capabilities with AI-powered intelligent analysis. By upgrading to the paid plan, you can enjoy advanced person, vehicle, and package detection. Seamless mobile compatibility and voice control. You can connect this COCO camera to your Android or iOS smartphones or tablet, enabling remote monitoring and control from anywhere at any time. And this indoor camera is designed for flat placement and is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so it allows you the convenience of hands-free control. This is our first time working with COCOCAM, and this is a fantastic security camera. As you know, we've reviewed a lot of security cameras, and with the AI technology and the indoor capability, this thing is awesome. Great job, COCOCAM. As you know, we review tons of security cameras, but they're primarily outdoor cameras. So we love when we get to review an indoor camera that's as nice as this 2K camera. So we want to give a huge shout out to COCOCAM for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.